Welcome to STEV. How are you? I hope all of you are fine. Today I am going to solve Model CQ 1 in the chapter 11. Model CQ 1, observe the data. Okay, this data given. Question A, the given data are unorganized data. Okay, we have to explain it. So, solution of A. At first we have to know what are unorganized data. Okay, the data that are not arranged in order are called unorganized data. The data that are not arranged in order are called unorganized data. Okay, now observe the given data 61, 65. Okay, it is increasing. Again, 95, 91. It is decreasing. Okay, sometimes the numbers are increasing and sometimes the numbers are decreasing. Okay, so we can say the data are not arranged in order. So they are unorganized data. Okay, the given data are not arranged in order. So the data are unorganized data. This is the solution. Question B, find out the number of classes taking 5 as class interval. Okay, now solution of B. To solve it, at first we have to find out the highest number and lowest number. Highest number is 95 and lowest number is 61. Okay, highest number equals to 95. Lowest number equals to 61. Okay, so range equals to we know highest number minus lowest number plus 1. This is the formula of finding range. Okay, here highest number is 95 minus lowest number 61 bracket plus 1. Okay, equals to 3, 4 plus 1 equals to 35. This is the range of the data. Okay, now given class interval equals to 5. Class interval is 5. Okay, therefore number of classes. What is the number of classes? Formula is number of classes equals to range divided by class interval equals to range equals to what? 35. 35 divided by class interval 5. Okay, this equals to 7. This is the class interval. It is the answer. Okay. Next, question C. Make frequency distribution table of the data. Okay. Solution of C. Given class interval equals to 5. From number of classes equals to 7. Okay, now we have to draw frequency distribution table. Okay, now everybody draw this table. Okay, in this table 9 rows are there. Okay, and first 8 row 3 columns and last row 2 columns. Okay, now class interval, tally, frequency. At first we have to start from lowest number. What is the lowest number? 61. Okay, I start from 61. Okay, and 61, 62, 63, 64, 65. Okay, up to 65. Because class interval 5. Similarly, we can take 66 to 70, 71 to 75 and so on. Okay, now tally. We have to put tally. Okay, now consider the first number. What is the first number? 61. Okay, it is placed in this range 61 to 65. So 61, then 65, 65, then 70, 70, then 72, 72, then 75, 75, then 80, 80, then 85, 85, then 90, 90, then 95, 95, then 91, 91, then 93, 93, then 86, 86, then 68, 68, then 66, 66, then 82, 82, then 87, 87, then 71, 71, then 64, 64, then 77, 77, then 88, 88. Okay. Then frequency at first tally in this row. Okay, 3, 1, 2, 3 lines are there. So frequency is 3. In this case, 3. Next, 3. Next, 2 lines there, 2. Then 2. Then 4. And then 3. And total equals to 20. Okay, it is the frequency distribution table. I am going to conduct a class on model MCQ in the chapter 11. Model MCQ, lecture 1, question 1. What is the numerical presentation of information called? Option A, mathematics. Option B, science. Option C, statistics. And option D, information science. We know numerical presentation of information is called statistics. Okay, so correct option is C. Question 2. Which are used to present statistics? Okay, suppose your mark sheet of final exam is an example of statistics. Okay, your obtained marks in Bengali suppose 50, in science suppose 70, in mathematics suppose 80. Okay, that means marks are presented by numbers and all the numbers are called data. Okay, so we can tell statistics are expressed by data. That means data are used to present statistics. So correct option is B. Question 3. How many types of statistical data are there? According to source, 2 types of data are there. First one primary data and second one secondary data. Okay, so correct option is B, 2. Next, question 4. Which data are collected directly from the source? Option A, organized data. option B primary data, option C unorganized data, and option D secondary data. Directly we collect primary data. Okay, we collect primary data from the source. So correct option is B. Question 5. Which data are collected from indirect source? Option A organized data, option B unorganized data, option C primary data, and option D secondary data. Secondary data is collected indirectly from the source. That means from indirect source. Okay, so correct option is D. Question 6. Which data are more reliable? Option A organized data, option B primary data, option C secondary data, and option D unorganized data. Okay, we collect primary data from the source. Okay, so we can collect this data according to our necessity. Okay, so it is more reliable. Correct option is B. Okay, next question 7. Which data are arranged in order? Option A primary, option B secondary, option C organized, and option D unorganized. Okay, we know due to arrangement of data are two types. First one organized data and second one unorganized data. Okay, and organized data are arranged in order. So correct option is C. Question 8. Which data are not arranged in order? Unorganized data are not arranged in order. Okay, so correct option is B. Question 9. Which appears more times in data? Option A mean, option B median, option C mode, and option D symbol. Okay, we know mode is the number which appears more times in the data. Okay, so correct option is C, mode. Question 10. Which makes clear and explicit concept of the presented events? Okay, by seeing diagram we get clear concept about data. Okay, so correct option is B, diagram.